In this video, we're going to be coming up to an intersection to make a right turn, and there is a pedestrian that's inside on the crosswalk crossing, and they're walking away from our vehicle. And we're just going to be talking about when is it safe to make the turn behind that pedestrian. And so we're doing a safe lane change here and coming up to this next intersection. We're going to be taking the right. The light is green. We've shoulder checked right as we're approaching. We can see the pedestrian is in the crosswalk, but they're walking away from our vehicle. Now, once they're clear your side of the road here, right? So they've cleared your lane. You're not threading the needle past them. There's plenty of room there. If they're walking away from your vehicle, you don't have to wait till they make it to this side. However, if they were walking from this direction towards your car or stepping into the crosswalk from either direction towards your car, even if you thought you have enough time, you would be considered cutting them off. So if they're walking away from your vehicle, you're okay to make this turn. If they're walking towards your vehicle, even if you think you've got enough time, you need to yield the way to them.